Hi, I'm Ash from Training and Inspection Services, and we provide online self-paced e-learning courses in 9 methods. These are API 510, Pressure Vessel Inspector, 570, Piping Inspector, 571, Corrosion and Materials, 577, Welding Inspection and Metallurgy, 580, Risk-Based Inspection, 653, Storage Tank Inspector, 1169, Pipeline Construction Inspector, Source Inspector, Fixed Equipment, and Source Inspector, Rotating Equipment. When you are certified, you have credibility, confidence, respect, and success in career. It's time to ask yourself, what's your future career plan? Where do you want to be in 2 to 5 years' time? Invest in yourself. You are the most important asset in your life, or your employees. Certification is a brand. It increases your confidence. It ensures that you are dealing with day-to-day activities in a systematic, logical, and time-tested manner. It gives you the opportunity to work for one of the best companies in the world and get the salary you deserve. How difficult is it to get certified? It can be a scary business. After all, you're paying a lot of money for registering and attending the exam. You're spending a lot of time, so you need to have a right study plan if you're self-studying, or get the right training provider. After all, you should be on the right track to maximize your chances of passing the exam. How to start? You have two options. Either you can do self-study, or you can choose a training provider, do an online course, which are very scarce, or a classroom training. So which are the choices? If you are self-studying, you got 4 leads. These are publication effectivity sheet, which is the reference material that you need to study, and API provides you the list. The body of knowledge, that some of the courses they provide guidance that what they expect from an inspector, and that would be potential exam question. The scorecard of people who have already attended the exam, and it can show the area of the examination, and area of the examination, and number of versus number of questions. You are selecting a training course as part of your preparation for the exam. Ask yourself the following questions. What the course offers? Does the course fully covers the publication effectivity sheet? Is the course revised annually to reflect any revision in the reference documents? Is the selected training course covers your weak areas on high scoring points? Is the trainer an API inspector himself? Is the trainer qualification and experience is relevant? Is the course a mere copy-paste of reference documents? After all, the reference documents are not for training purpose. Or the mock exam question verify your knowledge of topics and your ability to apply them? Is the depth of lessons proportionate to scoring area? Does the course explains the underlying reasons for each topic and how to apply the recommended practices and codes? Is it tutor supported? Is the course accredited? Has good reviews? Genuine success rate? Any guarantee that you pass or else refunded? Make sure the training course explains the theory and principles of codes and recommended practices. Make sure the mock exam questions are designed according to API spirit of examination, that is based on what an inspector should know and the inspector job analysis. Make sure the depth of each topic is proportionate to expected number of questions. Our training course goes through 7 checkpoints, reviewed by a team of subject matter experts, SMEs. We explain the core principles and theory of the codes and recommended practices. After all, these reference documents are not for training purpose. Our course content is revised regularly based on the latest revision of the publication effectivity sheet. Our training approach helps you solve any question within any context and scenario as an inspector, since you would be capturing the principles and theory rather than merely memorizing some facts and figures without understanding the underlying reason behind them. The depth each topic covered is based on the expected number of exam questions. This would help spending your time more effectively and be concentrating on the high score exam topic. You know that as a member of professional bodies and institution, or if you are an engineering technician, an incorporated engineer, chartered engineer, or a professional engineer, you have to maintain your continuous professional development, or CPD. CPD develops and enhances your abilities. It upskill or reskill regardless of occupation, age, or educational level, enhances your CV and helps your career. We are a CPD course provider and our courses are CPD accredited. This is our CPD provided certificate. This is our accredited provider logo. You can see our registration number and you can verify our registration by going through the cpdregister.com. For example, our core exam preparatory courses such as API 510, 570 and 653, each one are worth 60 credit hours. Other courses are worth between 24 to 40 credit hours, such as API SIFE and SIRE 40 and API 580 risk-based inspection worth 24 credit hours. Sample certificate of achievement that we will award you at the completion of each course, and also mention what areas you have covered during this course. This you can show to your institution and professional bodies, or enhance your CV by mentioning that you have undergone such a training course. Regardless of which exam you are preparing for, we have two packages for you: full training course and mock exam package. You can go to our website inspectortraining.com and read the overview and curriculum of each course and see what you get in return. Study our first module and try our quiz for free, pass first time, or take the course again for free. We provide 120 days, 24/7 course access and online support via WhatsApp and email. 100% pass rate guarantee or full refund if you fail.